Amigo.
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 Sì. French.
Amigo. How old is this dog? Anyone knows? Two. How old is it? 2 years old? It's quite big, huh?
Yeah, it's pretty
Big
big.
dog.
It's endemic kind of dog.
And
You see
then,
it? Yeah, it calls Georgian Shepherd.
yeah, Georgia.
But Russian make it like a Caucasian Shepherd.
Yeah.
But this kind of dogs are was just in Georgia.
Just in Georgia.
Don't have.
Yeah, but now they have it in Russia also and in other.
Because they bring it to the outside
Yeah.
country.
Yeah.